Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this issue for heads. Your head, you can repair your heads and start making copies. You can see the first one, this one, which is the 3 1. This one is the one mixes the 3 colors, right? This 1 2 3. So sometimes that head is dead. So when it's dead, it means that head it doesn't have any ink there. So I discovered a new trick, and I'm done. I've worked on 2 machines to prove that is working. I was called at this client. Those heads are very expensive, so I worked on this machine. It's 15. Let me see. Same machine, but now it's making a good color, what copies and black and white. So what I did, you can't believe. So this HP, it's been doing black. It's been printing blank copies. You get me? So when it did blank copies, and sometimes you can see it could do blank copies. What I did, and it just was trying something. So I found this thing was dried up. I put 3 of these on my mouth and then blow in, like, you don't leave any space for what, for like the. I wonder you couldn't, but you understand what I'm talking about. Put your lips here on all of them. Don't leave any space for air. Start to put pressure in, push pressure out, put pressure in, put pressure out. It's gonna work. So how do you take out the heads? You open here, then you go here. They're gonna roll up there. So what I do, it was printing blank. So when you put in inside here, put it in electricity, when put it in power, it's gonna come. Let me close, then open, close here, open here. They're gonna come. Those heads gonna come. They're gonna start moving around. This was so amazing, very amazing. So you stop them here, you stop them there, you press, okay. Once you stop them there, so you have to take it away from power so that it doesn't move. Taking it out from power, then taking it out from power, then you can move them here, then you press here, you take out this one. Once you take it out, then it's gonna be fine. So you can see, so I did that on this one also. It was just blowing in with energy, you power in, and it start leaking oil. You can see, start leaking there. You can see now it's leaking. You can see, you pour, you put pressure here from your mouth until it leaks, even if it's black or white. I don't know, maybe sometimes the ink dry inside that head, then it reports like the head is dead. But now this is a trick which I've used and it has worked for me. We had a lot of machines here. You can see even this one is a black one. So I'm gonna in and out. You can see that it leaked oil. You can see it's leaking. Yeah, that's what you do. So after that, put it in. So once the machine can feel that there's some liquid there, it won't report that issue. So after that, you close it like this, then you lock it. Once you lock it, then you can come and put this. Okay, put it in power, then it's gonna come on. So if it's messed up, it's gonna report, but it won't report because I've now mastered the trick. Thank God, I just discovered it by mistake, but it worked for me. You understand? So let me see. You can see now it shows like this. So we can make copy. I don't know if I can get a color copy. I already put in a copy inside here. You can see it's a black and white, and it won't print what they call, it won't print anything wrong. It's gonna print the right stuff. So let me give it time to be ready. I wonder if I can get something for color for you, but black and white, I'm sure it's gonna print. Even color, because I did fix that. Okay. I think I should take you, I don't know what can I take. It's fine anyway, but I've showed you the trick what you have to do when your printer is printing blank. You get me? So once it's ready, you can see there is no sign. If it was not ready, it was gonna, you see those signs, the first for paper, first for the first head, and this one for the second head. So if there is nothing, I'm gonna say black and white, press 1, it's gonna come. It's gonna print on another side. It takes time, but it's gonna print. Wow, it's good. Can see it's printing 100% fine. You can see, guys. I'm so happy that also me, I discovered it by chance. I didn't know. So these heads are very expensive. So I have another machine which I made it, which I put down. I thought that was also, it was also an issue. So I took out those heads, and also now I know how to repair this head. It's a little bit up, so I put it in and I close it. Yes, also HP, same things. That was a great video for me because I never woke up knowing that I'm gonna learn how to fix this. It was just by mistake, and it's 100% fine now. So I'm doing this why I wanted to show you guys what to do. So once we're done with that, there's nothing else you're gonna do. So okay, you can also connect your machine to the computer and download the HP Smart app. Then you do clean your head cleaning, you know, all those things and whatever. But now this is what we do if your head, the printer prints blank, also shows the sign of the heads, you understand. So it means that heads are dried up and all those things. I'm happy that this worked for us, and the heads are very expensive, almost half of the price of the printer. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. I hope everything's fine. We in Johannesburg CBD right now here. Now you can see the city manage everything, what's going on. See you in the next video.